Hello students, good morning. I hope you all are very good, right? So welcome back to your science class. So I welcome you all in your science class. So children, today we are going to start a new chapter, okay? I hope you have understood chapter number 15, air, water and weather very well, right? And I hope that you all have done your assignments also. So students, in next month your post midterm exams are coming, so kindly learn the chapters as well. After completing your assignments in notebook, start learning them also, okay? And from next week we will start your class tests also, okay? So be ready for that, okay? So children, let's start our today's class. So open your page number, yes, 22, and this is our chapter, our houses. So what kind of house do you live in? So when we heard about houses means a place where we all live, yes? It doesn't matter that we are living in a flat or we are living in a bungalow or we are living in a hut. The matter is of a house that we are having. We are owning a house. Yes, we own a house and we have our own house, because in the world there are many people who don't have their own houses. Yes, they are really very sad because they don't have any roof upon their heads. Yes, they don't have a place to sit, to stand, to relax, to be comfortable. They don't have such place. So we are really very happy and we should be very thankful to God that He has given us our own houses. Yes, so children, today we are going to study about houses, that what are the requirements of houses, how are they made up of, and what are the materials required for making the house, and how many kinds of houses are there. Okay, so let's begin. I'll show you some pictures and after that you have to guess and you have to tell me that which kind of house is this and in which area it is. Okay, so let's start. So children, just see the picture and see the house. Very beautiful house, right? So snow is falling, so it means that this is a cold place. Yes. Now see this picture. This is the picture of an igloo. Yes, igloo is built in snow and the people who live here are known as Eskimos. Yes. Now see the next picture. Yes, this is also a house that is built in a cold place. Yes, because cold place houses are quite different. If you will notice, the roof of the houses, the curves of the houses are slopy. They are having sloping roof. Yes, ऐसे देखो, अगर आप ऐसे sloping roof होता है उनका, ऐसे slope वाला, ताकि वो जो बर्फ है, आइस है, उन roofs पर रुके नहीं. It just quickly fell down. Yes, or fall off from the houses. Yes, so these are the houses of cold places. Now see the next picture. This is a picture of a house that is built in hilly area. See, a hill is there and on hilly places these kinds of houses we can see, right? We can see these kinds of houses on hilly areas, as it is very difficult for the people to make houses in hilly areas because they are very hilly and it is not easy to make houses there, but still people are making houses there, right? See, now how are these houses? Are these similar to the house in which you live, or these are different? Yes, these are quite different from your own houses, right children? So let's read about them. So children, as you all have seen the houses that are built in cold places, that are built in hilly areas, so are they similar to your own houses or are they different from your houses? Of course they are different from your houses, right? So let's read that. What is the need? What is the necessity? What is the requirement of a house? और why do we require houses? Yes, हमें ज़रूरत क्यों पड़ी, हमें need क्यों हुई house की? And after that we will study that what are the materials that are used in houses. Okay, so let's read it. Here the question is given that why do we live in houses? हमें house में रहने की ज़रूरत क्यों होती है? You live in your house, right? हम सब अपने अपने घरों में रहते हैं. We all are living in our own houses. Yes, it protects you from the sun, wind, rain and snow. Yes, ये आपको किससे बचाता है? Protects means they are just, protects means to keep something or someone safe from harm or damage, है ना? किसी को भी, चाहे वो इंसान हो, चाहे वो कोई चीज़ हो, उसको किसी खतरे से, किसी नुकसान से बचाना, है ना? तो हमें घर जो है वो किस चीज़ से बचाता है? Our house protect us from sun, wind, rain and snow, right? And it also protects us from and our things from animals and bad people like thieves. Yes, you have heard many times that thieves have come and thieves has taken money from the people. Yes, and they have done the robbery and also these things will not happen if we live in our own house. But if we live on a road, on a pedestrian or on a footpath, so it will be really very difficult for us to save ourselves and our money and our things from these bad people or from animals also. Yes, because animals also may take these things. If we will there, we will be lying on a road or we will be sitting nearby a road, so they may be taking our things. Yes, so to protect ourselves from these bad people and from animals, we are in need of a house. We need a house, and that is why we used to prefer in our house. Yes, moreover we want to protect ourselves from sun, wind, rain and snow, right? अगर धूप बहुत ज़्यादा होती है तब भी हमें बहुत ज़्यादा धूप लगती है and we are we are not able to tolerate it properly. Yes, even in wind, जब ज़्यादा तेज़ हवाएं चलती हैं or it is raining heavily or it is having a snowfall, so at that time also we need a house. So people live in different kinds of houses. Yes, all people are not living in the same kind of houses. They are living in different kinds of houses. Yes, if you see this picture, some people are living in flats. From you all also, there are few people who may be living in flats. Yes, who are living in flats. What is a flat? Flat is a part of a multi-storied building. Yes, this is a multi-story building and in this flats are made. Yes, actually these days there is a trend of making flats because we are more and the space, the land is less, है ना? आजकल क्या है, आजकल population और लोग जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा हैं और हमारे पास लैंड जो है घर बनाने के लिए वो अब कम रह गई है ना. तो इसीलिए टू टेक दिस थिंग इन आवर माइंड्स वी हैव प्लान्ड फॉर फ्लैट्स. यस, हमने प्लानिंग की फ्लैट्स की और हमने फ्लैट्स बनाना शुरू किए. इसमें क्या होता है, कम जगह में ही काफ़ी सारे लोग एक साथ रह सकते हैं, वो भी डिफरेंट हाउसेस में. यस, so that is why flats are convenient for today's generation. Yes, but few people don't want to live in flats. They prefer to live in their own houses, in a separate houses, so they are making their own bungalows. Yes, So they are making their bungalows, they are making their own big houses. Yes, a very large houses they are making. And few people live in huts. Yes, कुछ लोग जो होते हैं वो huts में रहते हैं. Okay, so through these things you can easily understood that what is the difference between the houses. Yes, see, this house is made up of cement, brick, etc. This house is made up of mud, straw. Yes, so this is known as kacha house because this is made up of mud, straw and these things. Yes, and this bungalows and flats, they are known as permanent houses because they are made up of very strong material like bricks, cement, steel, wood and glass. Okay, so children, I hope you have understood the difference between kacha houses and pakka houses. Yes, so kacha houses are, they are not permanent houses. ये कभी भी टूट सकते हैं, कभी भी गिर सकते हैं. If there is heavy rainfall, then also it is not safe to live in a hut. And if there is heavy snowfall or the weather is very hot, very sunny weather is there, then also this house will get a cracks and it may be get damaged. Yes, so we have to be very careful while living in huts because these are not made up of very good things, or we can say strong material like bricks, cement, etc. Okay, so children, let's continue our chapter. Now here we can see a mason is building a house. Yes, and here he is using bricks, cement, etc. they are using. Yes, so most houses in cities are built with bricks, cement, steel, wood and glass. Yes, the walls and roof are made up of steel, bricks and cement. The doors and window frames are made of wood. राइट, जो दरवाजे और खिड़कियाँ होती हैं, खिड़कियों के जो फ्रेम्स होते हैं और दरवाज़ों के जो फ्रेम्स होते हैं, दैट ऑल आर मेड ऑफ वुड. येस, एंड ग्लास इज़ यूज टू इन विंडोज़ टू लेट सनलाइट इन. खिड़कियों में हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? वी आर यूजिंग ग्लास इन विंडोज़. येस, जस्ट टू टेक सनलाइट so that the sunlight will get in. Right, so I hope you have understood the difference between kacha houses and pakka houses, or we can say temporary or permanent houses. Okay, so children, now take out your notebook and let's start our today's work. And children, we will learn about the qualities of a good house tomorrow. Okay, so open your notebook and let's start doing our work. So children, here first of all we will write today's date, that is 23 November 2020. Then we will write chapter number 4, our houses. Okay, then we will write question number 1, that is state true or false. Okay, so first question is that all people live in different houses. So this statement is true or false? Right, because all people live in different houses, है ना. सब लोग तरह तरह के घरों में रहते हैं. कोई फ्लैट्स में रहता है, कोई हर्ट्स में रहता है, कोई बंगलों में रहता है. यस, सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ग्लास इज यूज्ड इन विंडोज टू लेट सनशाइन और सनलाइट इन. यस, ग्लास मतलब कांच यूज़ किया जाता है विंडोज़ में. क्यों यूज़ किया जाता है? ताकि सनलाइट जो है वो अंदर आ सके. So this statement is also true, right? Now next question is breathing clean air is very important. हम सब के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम clean air में ही breathe करें. Yes, so this statement is also true, right? Now next question is garbage should be thrown in open places or dustbins. Yes, तो garbage जो है वो हमारा कहाँ फेंकना चाहिए? हमको ओपन प्लेसेस में, खुली जगहों पर फेंकना चाहिए. सो गार्बेज शुड बी थ्रोन इन ओपन प्लेसेस और ओपन डस्टबिन्स, है ना. कूड़ा हमें खुली जगहों पर फेंक देना चाहिए या फिर खुले हुए डस्टबिन्स में डाल देना चाहिए? नो, this statement is false. We should not throw garbage in open places, right? Now next point is that a house protect us from bad people. House जो है वो हमें bad people से बचाता है. Yes, bad people like thieves and all. So this statement is true, right? So children, what is the first point? First is that all people live in different houses. Yes, this statement is true. Okay, next is glass is used in windows to let sunlight in. Yes, this statement is also true, right? Now, breathing clean air is very important. Yes, breathing clean air, it is very important for all of us to breathe in clean air. Yes, so this statement is also true. Now, next statement is garbage should be thrown in open places or open dustbins. गार्बेज जो है वो हमें खुली जगहों पर या खुले डस्टबिन में डालना चाहिए? नो, वी शुड ऑलवेज कवर द डस्टबिन. यस, एंड वी शुड नॉट थ्रो गार्बेज इन ओपन प्लेसेस, राइट? सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. अ हाउस प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम बैड पीपल लाइक थीव्स. यस, दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. ओके, नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. So children, you have to take out a new page, है ना? आपको new page निकालना है, and on that page you will write give answer in one word. Okay, what is the question? Give answer in one word. Okay, so the first question is that the houses that are made up of bricks, cement, steel, etc. है ना? वो घर जो हमारे bricks से बने हैं, cement से बने हैं, steel से बने हैं, उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? Yes, they are known as permanent houses. Yes, परमानेंट हाउसेस, राइट? परमानेंट क्यों है? क्योंकि वो कभी भी उनका कुछ नहीं बिगड़ता है. थोड़ा बहुत उनका वो हो जाता है, बट दे कांट बी डिस्ट्रॉयड और दे कांट बी डैमेज्ड. ओके, नाउ ओके, सो दीज काइंड्स ऑफ हाउसेस आर नोन एज परमानेंट हाउसेस. ओके, नाउ सेकेंड इज द हाउसेस दैट कैन बी मूव्ड फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. ये वो हाउसेस हैं जो कि एक जगह से दूसरी जगह हम ले जा सकते हैं, है ना? लाइक कैरावान, लाइक टेंट हाउस. सो दीज आर नोन एज टेम्पररी हाउस, है ना? ये जब हम कहीं घूमने जाते हैं कुछ दिन के लिए, एट दैट टाइम वी यूज टू मेक और पुट दीज हाउसेस. यस, टेंट बनाया आता है. वी हैव टू जस्ट place it and we can start living in it for few days, है ना? They are not permanent, they are known as temporary houses, right? Now the last question is the houses that are made up of mud, straw, wood, etc. है ना? वो घर जो किससे बने हैं? मिट्टी से बने हैं, straw से बने हैं, wood से बने हैं, उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? They are known as, yes, they are known as what? Tell me the name. Kacha house. Yes, they are known as kacha houses. Okay, and here we can write pakka houses also, right? Because permanent houses are known as pakka houses also. Okay, two names are there for these houses. The houses that are made up of bricks, cement, steel, etc. that is permanent houses or pakka houses, right? And the houses that can be moved from one place to another, they are known as temporary houses, right? The houses that are made up of straw, wood, etc. and mud, so they are known as kacha houses. Okay, so children, you have to do this work in your science notebook in a very neat and clean handwriting, and I hope that you are practicing reading daily. Yes, practicing reading. Yes, practice reading regularly. Okay, and improve your writing, take care of your writing, and start speaking in English also. Try to converse in English with your friends, with your family. Okay, so that you will not forget all the things, right? So children, stay home, stay blessed. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay.